Here we are inside the house, and it's been snowing outside for more than 24 hours. And my little girl, she's upset that she can't go outside and just mew. Let's check out the situation. Earlier I had to move the snow because it came up. Oh my gosh, look at, you can't hardly see out there. Yeah, here, let me get a clear spot here. And it's still coming down. I'll have to go downstairs and get a better picture. Yeah, it's blowing around. You can see my truck because it's a truck. Now, the other cars, yes, you can't see them. There's actually 3 cars there, completely unnoticeable. Okay, she insisted on going outside. Kitten! Kitten, you gotta come back in. I know what she's gonna try to do. She thinks she's gonna go under that table. Kitten, you gotta come back in here. She's stuck. Look at her. Come on, honey. You gotta turn around. She's stuck. Come on, honey. Come on. Oh, sweetheart, you're stuck in the snow. Oh, poor baby. She's stuck. And I gotta go out there and get you. Poor thing. Poor baby, she was meowing out there and crying out for me. And now look. Yeah. You okay now? It's too cold out there, Snowcat. Yes, it's too deep. Yes. So, I can barely open the door, and that's after it was cleared once yesterday. I had to go and rescue the cat, as you've just seen. And the shovel's buried under there. And there's another one someplace, and there's one over there. And the little birds are running out of food, so I have to shovel my way over there. Else I'll fall down like I did yesterday. Whoops. Well, came outside, and looks like Jack did a nice little path down the sidewalk. Stopped right there. So this is, oh boy. I parked my truck on the lawn, and looks like some of the solar energy is, and the wind blew that side off. This is igloo snow. Yeah, you could build an igloo and it'd probably stand for a long time. Oh, he disappeared. Oh boy, not this side. This side is deep, deep, deep. Oh boy. Yeah, our neighbors from Texas made the mistake of trying to back up their truck. They don't understand. Well, they've never dealt with it, so anyhow.
They prioritize the emergency.
I know, but I just remember in 2009, I think they plowed quicker than this, but there's more people living here.
I looked on their website. They literally don't have enough.
Oh my gosh. Here's the, this is what it's like to try to walk down our street. That's not plowed yet. The neighbors over there. This person, these 2 people, the little girl's fallen down several times. Yeah. A wall of snow. Hey, this would be a good place to have snowshoes and a snowmobile. And my relatives in New York State, they all own snowmobiles.
Makes sense.
Yeah. I don't even know how long I've been out here. My back is hurting me. Been shoveling and shoveling and shoveling, and still I got this. And then I remembered the cars on the lawn, so I have to shovel all that away. Oh my gosh. So I'm taking a little rest because my back is starting to hurt. Rachel disappeared back in the house like a smart person. Oh man, the lens is fogged up a little bit. Yes, we're still working on it. We have mountains of snow. Yeah, look at this, folks. Look at this mountain of snow. Rachel's getting her workout. Oh boy. Well, folks, Kitten has decided she's going to check the snow out. You're not going to get stuck this time, baby. I don't know. Do I want to walk on this stuff? I don't think so. It's cold. Come on. Uh-oh, she's meowing now. Meow. Oh. Been out here for better part of 4 hours. Taking a rest in a snowbank. But you get up, it leaves your body, but this is just like comfortable till you get cold. Oh, yeah. So it's getting clouded up. Beautiful today. Even though it was cold and snowy. And a nice fire to end the work of the day. And now to make some good dinner. Yay! Nice. Nice.